This video is on partnership, chapter 6 of commercial studies class 9th ICSE board. So in this video we are going to cover important MCQs on partnership. All you have to do is pause the video, try to give the correct answer, and don't forget to share your score in the comment section. Now let's get started. So our question number 1 is, which of the following best defines a partnership? Option A is an association of persons carrying on business for charitable purposes. Option B, an agreement between two or more persons to carry on business and share profits. Option C, a single owner controlling all business activities. Or option D, a contract between employees and employer. गिवन ऑप्शंस में सबसे बेस्ट पार्टनरशिप को कौन सा ऑप्शन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर बी, बिकॉज पार्टनरशिप मीन्स एन एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन two or more persons who agree to share profit of a business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all. Next, question number 2 is, which of the following is not a feature of partnership? Option A, unlimited liability. Option B, sharing of profit and losses. Option C, separate legal existence from owner. And option D is mutual agency. Which is not a feature of partnership? So the correct answer will be option number C. Unlike a company, partnership has no separate legal entity. Partners and firms are considered same in the eyes of law. So the correct answer for question number 2 is option number C. Question number 3. In which aspect does partnership differs from sole proprietorship? यानी पार्टनरशिप सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप से डिफरेंट कैसे है? ऑप्शंस आर ए, अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी, बी, शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट, सी, इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस रिस्क, एंड डी इज नीड ऑफ कैपिटल. So the correct answer will be option number B. See, in sole proprietorship, the whole profit goes to one person, whereas in partnership, profit and loss are shared among partners. Next, question number 4. Partnership enjoys better decision making than sole proprietorship because option A, all partners have limited liability. Option B, partners pool their knowledge and experiences. Option C, partnership is registered with the government. Or option D, profits are shared equally. पार्टनरशिप सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप से बेटर डिसीजंस कैसे कर सकता है? तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, because of collective decision making and shared expertise is a key advantage. Question number 5. Which limitation of partnership restricts it from becoming a very large business? यानी पार्टनरशिप की कौन से ऐसे डिसएडवांटेज है जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत एक्सपैंड नहीं कर पाएगी अपना बिजनेस? ऑप्शंस चेक करते हैं. ए, म्यूचुअल एजेंसी, B, unlimited liability, C, limited capital, or D, non-transferability of shares. So the correct answer for this is option number C, limited capital. Because partners' capital is limited and partnership cannot expand like companies. Question number 6. Why is partnership deed important? Options are A, it reduces liability of partners. Option B, it settles dispute by clearly defining rights and duties. Option C, it is compulsory under law. Or option D, it ensures government registration. So the correct answer for question number 6 is option number B. A partnership deed is a written agreement that prevents dispute by clarifying terms. Question number 7. Which of the following is true about registration of partnership in India? Option A, it is compulsory by law. Option B, it is voluntary, but unregistered firms suffer certain disabilities. Option C, it is only required if firm has more than 10 partners. Or option D, it is necessary only for LLPs. So इन चार ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा ऑप्शन ट्रू है अबाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप? So the correct answer will be option number B. Registration of partnership is optional but recommended due to legal benefits. Next, question number 8 is, an unregistered partnership firm cannot A. Carry on business legally, B. Borrow from bank, C. File a case against third party, or D. Admit a new partner. The correct answer will be option number C. Unregistered firms cannot sue outsiders, though outsiders can sue the firm. Next, question number 9. Which type of partnership exists only for specific ventures or project? A. General partnership, B. Partnership at will, C. Particular partnership, or D. Limited liability. So the correct answer will be option number C. Particular partnership is formed for specific project. Example, construction contract. यानी किसी एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हमने बनाया, उसके बाद दैट पार्टनरशिप डिसकंटिन्यूज. Next, question number 10. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. In both general partnership and LLP, partners' liability is unlimited. Option B. In general partnership, liability is unlimited, but in LLP, liability is limited to contribution. Option C. LLP is not recognized under Indian law. Or option D. LLP requires minimum 10 partners. So the correct option will be option number B, because LLP protects partner from unlimited liability, unlike general partnership. Question number 11. Why is LLP considered better than general partnership? Option A, it requires no registration. Option B, it gives partners separate legal entity and limited liability. Option C, it avoids profit sharing disputes. Or option D, it requires no agreement. So the correct answer will be LLP को जनरल पार्टनरशिप से बेटर क्यों कंसीडर किया जाता है? The correct answer will be option number B, because LLP enjoys legal entity status and limited liability, which makes it safer. And the last question of this topic is, which of the following is a disadvantage of LLP? Option A, unlimited liability of partners. Option B, lack of separate legal existence. Option C, higher compliance and cost compared to partnership. Or option D, cannot sue outsider. So the correct answer will be option number C, because LLP requires more legal formalities and compliance compared to general partnership.